it's Patty. I'm so excited to be participating in another one of Hilary's Goodwill challenges. This is the Christmas 2018 edition, and this is my, believe third Goodwill challenge that I've participated in, and I think the Christmas one is my favorite. I love decorating for Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. It's my favorite time of year to decorate, so it's always really fun to incorporate some thrifted finds into my Christmas decor. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up, but before I do, I just want to give a big thank you to Hilary for always hosting this. She is such a rock star. She just had a baby and she's doing Vlogmas. I mean, she's just amazing. I love her videos. She's actually one of the people that inspired me to start my channel. I have been watching her from the beginning. I love her channel, and I just love that she hosts this for every season. I think it's really fun, and I think it's really sweet that she makes it like open for everyone to participate, because I love seeing everyone's ideas, and I just feel like it's really a fun challenge. So definitely make sure you check out everyone who's participating. I'm going to leave the playlist in the description box. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I have a lot of motherhood lifestyle and home decor videos on my channel, so definitely make sure you are subscribed so you can see all my other videos. Anyways, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get started, and let me share with you my find. So I'm really excited. Whenever I go to Goodwill and I see that something is from Target, I feel like it's a winning day. So my find for this year is this Noel candle tea light set. And this was originally, like I said, from Target. And it was originally $19.99, and I got it for $5. And I feel like that's a good price. I see so many Instagrammers that find all these amazing things from Target that are like the overstock, like all the Project 69, Hearth and Hand, Opal House things at Target. And none of our Goodwills in this area have that. I don't know how the Goodwills get those, but I'm so jealous of those Goodwills. So Target finds are rare and far between at the Goodwills in our area. So I was so excited when I found this, and when I saw it, I immediately knew I thought it would be really pretty to do like a natural, neutral, earth tone tablescape. And I wanted to use a few other things that I've thrifted along the years to kind of share with you like a thrifted tablescape. I'm going to be including some Target Dollar Spot items too, so definitely make sure you stay tuned so you can see the tablescape that I put together with my find. Okay, so these are the items I am going to be working with for my tablescape. I may take some things away or add some things, but so far this is what I am envisioning in my mind. So first and foremost, obviously the thrifted item for the Goodwill challenge. And then this is actually, I got this, it comes in like a big roll, and I got this from Joann's on clearance. I believe I got it 80% off after fall. So I got it for less than $3, and I got them because we're hosting Thanksgiving and I wanted a lot. But I love the natural element it brings to a tablescape, so I'm going to be using it again since that's the look I am going for. And that's a little tip if you don't want to invest money in runners, because those can get pretty costly. Just get some of the rolls. It's kind of like a burlap material, and you can get that really inexpensive at the end of each season. They usually have different ones, so I was able to get this for a really affordable price. Then I just picked up this garland from the Dollar Spot. I thought that was really pretty. These candlesticks I thrifted a while back. They're originally from Pier 1, and I got them from Goodwill. These I talked about in my Christmas home tour. These beautiful faux candles are from Aldi, and it's a 4-pack for $10. They're battery operated. You can set a timer. They have a remote control. They're scented. They're amazing. I love them. 4 for $10. Then these beautiful bottle brush trees are from Hobby Lobby. They are about $3 a piece, so they might be a little bit less, but they're about Target Dollar Spot prices, and they're so beautiful, and I just love like the natural elements of it. And then this was originally from Target too. It's kind of like another tea like candle holder thing, and I thrifted this. This is from the Dollar Spot. This is just in case I want to like add dimension or height. Then just some twinkle lights, and then I'm going to be setting plates up too, and I'm going to be adding these. I'll show you guys in just a second what I do with that. So I'm going to work on the centerpiece first, and then I'll set all the plates and all of that. Buy a live tree every year, so we always have like extra of the clippings, and they give you free ones too. I've also heard if you just go to Home Depot and ask, or Lowe's, that they'll give them to you for free. So I thought it would be cute to kind of make like little mini wreaths on top of the plate, and then add one of these ornaments. I figured I could do like some black and some white, and just add the little ornament to the little wreath. Ideally, I would love this to be gold to match the gold here, and then I would like a craft napkin between, because I feel like that would really pull in like the neutrals from the Tablescape. But I'm working with what I was able to find, and I wanted to make this as inexpensive as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and make the little wreaths for my Tablescape. Here is the finished Tablescape. I am so happy with how it turned out. I just wanted a lot of like lighting. I love the look of candles on a Tablescape and lights. I'm very paranoid about real candles being on the table, just because I have little kids and I'm always scared of like something getting knocked over. So I'm all about the faux candles, but I feel like this just adds like a really nice ambiance, and it was all like super cheap and on a budget. So here are my finds from the Goodwill. I think they add a really nice touch. And then here are how the little Tablescapes turned out. It's something really inexpensive you can do just to add like that extra special touch to a Christmas table. I hope you enjoyed this video and what I did with my Goodwill find. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite space to decorate? I feel like I could do Tablescapes like all the days of my life. Like I enjoy setting a beautiful table, because I just think of people gathering around and creating memories, and it's just so fun to create a beautiful atmosphere to do that with. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite space to decorate for on a budget, and I hope you enjoyed what I did with my space and my find. So let me know if you participated as well. I'd love to check out your video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Hilary from Old World Home, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.